Alright, so today we're going to be installing this. It's just a little hood scoop piece of mesh here. I think it'll look good. It's just a little touch. Nothing really functional at all. I guess it'll keep giant leaves out and all the birds I hit out. It kind of matches the grill mesh, so I think it'll, just be a nice little touch. It also comes with these little pins, little fins, whatever you want to call them, that just stick on with 3M tape. Now this, reading the comments, it seems like some people can get it fit, some people can't. It just depends exactly what model of the 2015 to 2019 WRX you have. SCI variations too. And the way to get this in, just kind of put it in at a little bit of an angle and reach in the mesh to pull it back. And then it has those clips on the side, and then it should just kind of clip into place. And it should just stick in there. Now, we're one of the people that are having problems getting it to stick into place. So in the middle, we can get it kind of solid. You can push on that, not too hard. But on the edges, it just doesn't stick at all. It doesn't pull out because those flaps are there, but those flaps aren't keeping it from, pushing back into the hood scoop. So what we're probably going to end up doing is just a little bit of epoxy on the edge, maybe some on the bottom, and we'll just go ahead and do that and then put it into a place we want it. And it doesn't have to be a crazy amount of glue, just a little bit, because the edges are touching. The top's touching the top, the bottom's touching the bottom, and then we'll just leave it sit overnight. These pins, however, go in much easier. They give you 5. You can kind of do whatever you want with them. Looking at the pattern here, they fit on the shorter of the holes in the mesh, and you could do, I see some people do 3 like that. I've seen some people do 4 kind of like that. Maybe it was like that or something. Do 4, and I've also seen some people do 5. I'm kind of looking around. I don't know exactly what I want to do. I think we're going to go with using all 5 of them, I think is what I would prefer to do. So that's what we're going to do. Start by putting that mesh piece in there, gluing it on, and then installing these little pins. Alright, so we tried that epoxy. It leaves a little bit of white, but that's okay because that's going to be covered up by these pins we're going to be putting on. But this is pretty solid now. Can't really push that. There's some under here, and then there's some up at the top as well. So 3 dots on the bottom and 3 dots on the top, and that stuck that in there pretty good. The next thing we're going to do is put these things on. Now I already wiped the area with a little alcohol pad, and I recommend doing that. It just helps clean it better. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll go ahead and stick all these onto 1/2 of the 3M tape. So I'm going to stick it on just the top half just like that, and then I'll go ahead and peel this off, and it should just peel off there, and then the other half will already have the kind of the covering off, so it's ready to stick right to the car. So there's that, and then we'll go ahead and try to line this one up right in the middle. Get a little bit of wiggle room for a little bit here. Get it where you want it. Make sure it's kind of straight. And that looks pretty good to me. So pushing the last one in, taking a step back, that is the final look of things. Let it focus. I kind of like it, the mix of the hood scoop extension. If you want to check out that, there was an installment video on that as well. And with the combination of this mesh piece and the little fins, I think it does give a nice little touch.